guys, weight gain and loads are factors that can attribute to a not so flat stomach.
The waistline is something that we all are highly concerned about. And waistline is something that everybody is so conscious about all the time. So guys, I've come right here to help you shed those extra kilos, and your body is for sure going to make you feel happy.
Here's a quick fix that are made of natural products to reduce your belly fat without doing that body workout and will give you the flatter belly always desired for. Here is what you need. Water 2 liters, cucumber sliced 1 medium, ginger grated or pressed 1 teaspoon, lemon sliced 1, mint leaves 10 to 12 sprigs. Soak all the ingredients in the water overnight. Once they are infused for the whole night, drink this water throughout the day.
Infused water is just so simple to make and it's so natural. You can just make it and keep it at home and have it and keep sipping on it the entire day. I personally love making this infused water and sipping on it the entire day. It not only makes me feel rejuvenated but also makes me feel 10 times fitter. I hope you guys try this tip as soon as possible and I assure you that you will see the fitter you.
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being